Our project is basically a photographic web page.
Myself, Baghajatin. I am from Sikkim. I am here at ISOEH Siliguri. I am doing internship at Python core. So, talking about faculty, the faculty are so supportive here.
I am diploma second year in computer science department. Rohtang South Sikkim CCT को एउटा छात्र हो. Their course and their knowledge to us. So I want to thank you, all the faculties of ISOEH.
Myself is Smita and I am from Sikkim and I am here in ISOEH Siliguri. I am here to learn about Python.
My name is Vikram Bosnet and I am from PTTC College, which is located in Balkan, Sikkim. So let's go to Italy. So म सिक्किमदेखि यहाँनिर इन्टर्नसिपको लागि आएको थिएँ 1 मन्थको, जुन चाहिँ हामी आउनै पर्छ डिप्लोमा गर्दाखेरि, र म चाहिँ कम्प्युटर साइन्समा डिप्लोमा गर्दैछु र यो कलेजमा आएको. सो यो कलेजको एक्सपिरियन्स चाहिँ यस्तो लाग्यो कि मलाई बेस्ट छ. तपाईँहरू कोही अगर स्टुडेन्ट्स भाइ बहिनीहरू छौ र यहाँ आउनु चाहन्छौ भने तिमीहरू आऊ, बेस्ट छ. र तिमीलाई अगर इथिकल ह्याकिङ, पाइथन, PHP कुनै नै फिल्डमा अगर तिमीले गर्नु चाहन्छौ भने आएर गर्दा हुन्छ. र तिमीलाई ट्रस्ट गर, यहाँको एक्सपिरियन्स कोबाटै रहनुहुन्छ. आऊ, इन्जोय गर, सिक केही. थ्याङ्क यू.
हेलो, मेरो नाम मुनिष्का प्रधान अनि मेरो कलेज चाहिँ सेन्टर फर कम्प्युटर एन्ड कम्युनिकेसन टेक्नोलोजी. त्यहाँको जब इन्टर्नसिपको लागि हामीले ISOEH ट्रेन गरेको थियौँ, मी एन्ड माई अदर फ्रेन्ड्स, मेरो साथीहरूसित. अनि मैले कोर्स चुज गरेको थिएँ चाहिँ पाइथन प्रोग्रामिङ. इट वाज भेरी गुड ओभर हियर. यहाँको एक्सपिरियन्स चाहिँ कस्तो थियो भने विथ द टिचर्ससित राम्रो खालके. जब पनि मैले डाउट हुँदै थियो, के हुँदै थियो, मैले टिचरलाई सोधेँ, टिचरले मलाई भन्नुभएको थियो. एभ्रिथिङ वाज प्रिटी गुड. एज पर द नलेज, पाइथन वाज भेरी गुड टु मी. पाइथनको पनि नलेज लिएर गएको छु. द एक्सपिरियन्स वाज भेरी गुड. एन्ड इफ एनी वान माई जुनियर्स एन्ड माई सिनियर्स, इफ दे विल try to say where they are going to do their internship, I'll let them know that ISOEH is the best. And I will recommend to join over here. The environment was good, the teaching faculty was good, all laptops were provided. This school luggage. Thank you.
Myself, Baghajatin from PTTC College, and I'm out here doing my internship for my winters in ISOEH, Indian School of Ethical Hacking. And today I'm presented before you to give a short feedback on the company or the institute I'm studying in. Well, the company was very well designed and the internal structures were very good. The teachers were very cooperative and my fellow mates were very placed in high-tech labs. All the faculties were very good, and I would like to thank each person for teaching us really well. The syllabus coverage was very good, and I felt like the entire syllabus, the environment or the labs were very professionally designed and very cooperative for helping me and my friends. And thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to study here.